Hi, we are Team Knuckle Coders. I am Mahadevan. With me is Suraj and Naveen. For Hack for TKM, we are given 4 problem statements. Out of that, 3 of them interest us. The first one is to make data available to users and to reduce improper data handling and monitoring. Second one, unscientific load shedding and power cuts. Third, unpredictability of energy consumption in the grid. So we decided to solve the first 3 of these. Our objectives for the solution are to gather as much data as possible, analyze data which includes generation and consumption data, make then fourth one make manual processes easier through digital means. Now moving to the solution. Here you can see a circuit which consists of Arduino, a Node MCU and a wire to simulate the AC current. We are using Arduino Uno to simulate a AC current which is proportional to the actual AC current provided by KCB. Then we are using the Node MCU to gather as much data from the given signal. Then we are using this data, we are sending this data directly to the cloud. Hi, now let's talk about the data analysis after the data is published by the Node MCU to the cloud. This is our website, the KCB Connect. This is the admin website. In here, you can see the data is updated in real time. See, the values are changing as per the Node MCU values. This real time data is only achieved through the hardware we established in the earlier video. Now, moving to the process in which we reach such a solution. In, First, we decided to plot a graph using the data provided by the problem statements. This is a graph we came upon in which the peak hours, the percentage of differences, the hours in which the households consume more power, commercial buildings consume less power, the hospitals power which is constant. So we calculated all of them and decided to plot a chart with the help of Matplotlib library in Python. This is the chart, the overall power consumption chart of the microgrid we came upon. Then we decided to work on the circuit next. And hence, after the circuit, we decided to send the data to the Firebase server in which the data is real time updated. As you can see, the colors are changing, the values are currently changing here. Okay, see the voltage values are changing, the current values are changing. This data then is relayed to the actually passed to the web admin of the KCB Connect app. And see you can the web admin is changing the values instantaneously as we refresh the pages. Also, there is an ability to for the KCB admin to do load shedding by clicking on the user ID here. Now in the Firebase you can update the values and the load shedding the current cut will be set to true. Here the current cut value is true. Hence the users can be individually power cut and load shedding can be done. Now let's move to the data section. In the data section, as you can see, are the individual plots of the commercial buildings, the education, the households, the machine shops, and the overall load curve, which we earlier saw, and the hospital, which is given in the question as constant. This data is again re-verified by the data we get from the Node MCU and the Arduino circuit. And this circuit can be established more into the real world usage with the help of CT transformer. The CT transformer can be directly plugged into the high voltage wire and the data can be directly fed into the Node MCU with additional instrumentation and then similar type of plots, graphs and predictability with an admin panel can be done. This is a well established scientific method of load shedding because now we know when the load is increasing and which parts are where the load shedding can be done. As you can see from the admin panel, we can switch off the user, switch on the user, etc. And this makes us to do load shedding region wise in which the areas of high power consumption or low power consumption or areas according to the data analytics suitable for load load setting can be individually turned off and on. And also there is a predict method here in which we can predict the time by like 11 a.m. in the morning and calculate that load values and the commercial values will be there. How did we arrive at such values? We used Lagrange interpolation and the graphical method to create these values and hence make the power consumption predictable. And in the next video you will see how we decided to make this approach not only for KCB, also to make the app more user friendly and mobile app designed towards users to make data analysis and cost savings for them also easier. So thank you. In our solution, we are collecting data from each individual households, commercial places, offices, etc. This data is used to perform data analysis and hence make the power consumption predictable. As a part of this solution, we also developed the web admin in which the KCB admin can easily view and observe the data consumption, the electricity consumption, etc. And as a byproduct, we decided to create an app which is geared towards customer satisfaction and user friendliness. This app is called KCB Connect, and in this app you can track your power usage, expense, and with real-time data and countless benefits such as paying electricity bills, etc. And this is done by real-time data from the Node MC circuit, the hardware we are using. Since this is a prototype, we are just simply clicking on sign up and it will take us to the home page. The home page consists of the amount of power used and the volts and the amps as an additional information, and we calculate the real time like today's cost till now, which is in the third box here. Now the app also shows the previous amounts of the previous months, and as a future in the future the data section and the profile section will be completed with the option to pay electricity bill online with the help of UPI ID, etc.